There's the cam that looks at me. And there's the cam that looks at you. We are unboxing the new train. Where should I put this? Is this detecting me? Yep. One flick knife. Right. On top. We have an instruction manual. Now, and we're back. The instruction manual. And the invoice, which will forever be lost in the box. Quite a good sturdy box. Coming back to me. You're coming back. Excellent. Slightly firm, and then we have another box. Now, let me understand how long I have been waiting to own a little model steam engine. Since about the age of 6. It's probably how long I have wanted one of these. So this is a big moment. It says number something on it. Number 59. Being defeated. Can't get into it. It's coming. It's coming. And moment of truth. Another instruction manual to go with the other instruction manual. A boiler test certificate. Up to 150 psi, and the maximum permissible pressure for this boiler is 60 psi. Manufactured by Baohe Mechanical Manufacturing Company, Wuhu Economic Development Zone, and Hui Province, People's Republic of China. Hanling Tang, 2nd of April 2021. Imported by Accucraft Trains. And the gas tank was also done on the 2nd of April. Gas tank serial number has been tested to 600 psi. Good to know. What is this? Some foam with a big lump of metal. I'm going to put all these bits in there. Then a little container There's a big syringe, a little syringe, and 4 Allen keys of various sizes. A piece of foam, which I assume is just packing. A set of natty gloves. I'm assuming heat protective because I'm guessing the boiler gets quite hot. Now to the main event, the train itself. Let's take this out. It's just more packaging. In the words of Adam Nawu, this is what we're dealing with. Packaging. Amazing. There it is. Not sure the colour comes out on the GoPro in the dark. Maybe it'll come out on here. It's better than I was expecting. I'm assuming that goes on there. And again, I have to read the manual. It's just a bit of a unedited unboxing. So I guess that's accelerator. So much to learn. But there we have it. An Accucraft Dora. Ooh. My first little steam engine. It's actually much better quality than I was expecting. I'll do more of an in-depth one later during the day when the lights are a bit more and I've read a bit more about it. We'll do an in-depth talk about what it is and how it works. But for now, thanks for watching the unboxing. And next up is the metal. 3, 2, 1, kick it.